Today, I show you how to connect Reddit to N8N so you can automate tasks and streamline workflows. Start by adding the Reddit node to your N8N canvas. This node is the bridge that links N8N with Reddit and allows you to perform all subsequent operations. Next, set up your Reddit credentials. Head to Reddit's developer app settings and create a new application. You will receive an API client ID and secret. Enter these into N8N carefully to ensure a secure connection. Double check the details to avoid errors. Once your credentials are configured, choose the operation for your workflow. You can post, comment, or search on Reddit depending on what you want your automation to do. Finally, you can integrate Reddit with other tools in N8N to create richer workflows. For example, you could fetch new posts from a subreddit, analyze content with AI, log results in Google Sheets, and send alerts via Slack. And that's it. With Reddit connected to N8N, you are ready to automate efficiently and boost productivity. Happy automating!